All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Randy Lin. I'm hosting this AI workshop in the summer of 2025. And here today I'm with Tianyi, one of the students in my learning class. He's in grade 9 and going to start his grade 10 in the fall term. And in this video, I want to let him show everyone his work has been done in the past 3 months through our AI workshop. Okay, go ahead, please, Tianyi.
Thank you. So this is my app that I've made, Plan Ahead. So it's multi-support. It's multi-support. It's multi-user support, and it has here it's a calendar, and then it has a built-in AI assistant that you can speak with. So I could say, "Hello, Plan Ahead," and it would be able to add tasks to my calendar, right? So I could say, "Hello, Plan Ahead. I need to do my homework from 5 to 6 p.m. today. Can you add that to my calendar?" You can also like have notes and stuff. I'd say like I must focus on units 5 to 6. And you could send it that, and then after a while, after the AI finishes thinking, it would be able to, let's say, add it to your calendar. So after it should take a second. After a second here, it would appear. Oh, there it is. So you can see here it's added to your calendar, and click on it, and you're able to say, edit it here with all of the criteria here, so you can see that you're able to task name, date, start and end time, priority, notes, and whether it's done or not. So that you can also just delete the task altogether. Here the notes, and you can see the basic information here. It has a voice chat, so hands free, you can interact it with it like while doing something else. So like, "Hey, study sync, tomorrow I have a math test 1 to 2 p.m. Can you add that to my calendar?"
I have successfully added your task math test at 1 p.m. on tomorrow with high priority.
It's added that to my calendar. I called it the wrong thing. This is the original project I was working on. It also has multilingual support here, so it's just the 12 most common languages in the world that you're able to speak with it in, and it's able to respond accordingly in all of those languages too. Manual add feature. There's nothing special about this. You can add tasks. It's also able to do tasks on a much larger scale, right? So I could say like, plan me a 7-day vacation in like, I don't know, Cuba from August 13 to 20. And then this would obviously take much longer since it's a much larger task. But after a bit, it should fully plan like the vacation for you. So it's like everything, including meals, accommodations, everything should be done for you. So should I explain how the app is like how it works, or?
Yeah, briefly, while we're waiting for the AI to do this job, right?
So the front end is just like a basic JavaScript thing. There's a few like JavaScript like that just have the front end. It's nothing special really. The back end is I think 9 or 10 end workflows working together that like kind of do all the stuff like responding, adding tasks, storing like different users and accounts and everything. And all of that, of course, is stored in Supabase.
So while we're waiting, could you show us the NAN side of your setup, just briefly?
Sure. I just have to open it. Oh,
Yeah, take your time. Oh,
gonna have to Oh, is it done?
it's done. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the calendar for now, I guess.
You
Yeah.
can see here, it's like you arrive in here, you should start here, and then you have lunch here. So like on this tour, have dinner here. It has basically everything planned for you. So you don't really need to do much. But if you like, of course, most people would want like changes. You could just ask it to do like some changes. Be able to update that. So it's like departures from Havana a.m. For example, if I want to say I depart 9 a.m., then it'll be able to ask from 9. It just takes a while again.
Yeah. Yeah, if you can just go ahead, log in your NAN and show us what you have done over there, very briefly.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to okay, is NAN showing?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
All right, so this is my workflow. So this is one of many. You can see here the webhook. So every time you speak to it, it sends a post request to the webhook. And then the agent like deals with everything. So it's ChatGPT. There's memory that's stored in Zep, so it remembers stuff over time. So of course it can see and like interact with the database. So it detects. So how it works is I have it like this is the prompt, right? And then there's a really long thing here that basically just says convert what I said into a JSON array, right? And then it would go into the if note and it says if there's an array, then put it up here so it has to do all that. If there's no array, then it just responds to you with just normal text. And of course, all of this is just conversion and just like saving it to the database and everything. And this sends another request. So there's a reminder system. So this starts like the reminder and like the follow-up system of that. Yeah,
Do you want to
there's
show us the other workflows? You just to show us how many workflow you're using.
all right. So this is a lot, right? But of course, these are much more simple. So it receives the thing from the first one, and then all of this is just like so it checks for the ID of the task, and then it just all of this is like waiting until when the 15 minutes before the task happens, and then it just sends you an email and it sends you a text about like what happened, like do a text about like called the task, and then this is the follow up. So it's the follow up email. So after that one, it activates this one, which then waits until 30 minutes after the task, and then it sends a follow up about it. The rest are just like really basic. It's just like the app checking like information about like the thing. So for example, this is just get tasks. So it's just like, oh, I want like a list of all the tasks, and it just returns a list of all the tasks for the app to like
Hey, sounds good.
parse
Could
it and
you
like.
go back to show us the update to the calendar, and then we can conclude from here?
Okay, so it asks that. So I would say like on the 20th, I will be leaving Havana at 9 a.m., not 10 a.m. Then it would hopefully edit that task. August 20th. Okay. Edit the task. It needs to be really sure before it. So it's been updated, which you gotta give it. I guess it didn't work this time. Okay, wow, that's great.
No,
Okay,
I think
well,
that's fine. That's the fun of the live demo, right? It's not always
yeah,
predicted, but I mean, I'm really appreciating your time on showing us your demo, and especially I understand this is your first big project, which has happened to you, and through the help with NAN, right? That's helped a lot in terms of controlling all the backend side of things, and I don't think you have any, parents or people as a programmer helping you to build this. You're making everything on your own, right? That's very amazing, actually. Yeah, I guess that's all we need to see for now. And again, we're looking forward your future project.
All right. Thank you.